Where are you going?
Which way do we go?
Right here. I'm giving the tour.
That's my girlfriend.
Yeah, I know. She's
lost.
Autumn.
Hey, I'm not lost. I was planting a tree.
Now, you might be wondering what this beautiful pink building behind me is.
Nope, nobody asked actually.
Oh, well.
I want to know.
Okay, thank you. Now that you must be wondering what this beautiful pink building behind me is.
Really gross, actually.
Wow. I'll be sure to let Yvonne know.
Oh, shoot, I thought it was yours.
Damn, it's like that.
It's so pretty, it's so great.
Yeah. All right, so this is the Pink Bucks. And you notice the location, right? Prime location, right by Town Hall.
Rhyme.
Yeah. So we paid 1,000 diamonds. Well, we have a loan of 1,000 diamonds just for this spot.
What?
And that, I know, we got scammed by the mayor.
That sounds like a scam.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
Big old scam.
Yeah, it's
so
not
what
even,
is this?
It's supposed to be a Pink Bucks. Soon you'll be able to buy.
Like Starbucks.
Yes, exactly. So that's this building. All right, let's continue the tour, everyone.
How much did Pokey pay for her building then?
2 diamonds.
Hey, I don't want. Listen, I'm no financial expert, but something here's not adding up, all right? Something's adding up here.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we didn't really think it through. All right, let's continue the tour. So down we go. This building over here, the gray one. Which one is it, guys?
Yep.
That one belongs to Hafu. This is Hafu's house. Okay, it's got beautiful rose bushes. All right, friendly zombies to welcome you. All right, we already showed you Pokies.
Nice.
All right, let's keep going.
How do we get sunflowers?
How do we get? How do they find all these cool stuff?
Well, that's where you go adventuring.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah,
all right.
I think we need to go really, really far to get some cool stuff.
Look at
all right.
this.
Whoa! Who's this? Who's this?
All right, don't go inside
Now
there.
this one belongs to DK. Oh gosh, it's gonna blow up my boat. Yeah, that one belongs to DK.
Oh, do they not blow up the buildings?
Yeah, they don't blow up the buildings.
Oh, thank gosh.
All right, now let's continue the tour down this way. Who's this next? Ooh, I think this one is actually Ray. Ray's or Ryan's. This is
Honestly,
Ryan's.
Yeah, this is like a little house.
This is sick. Ryan's place is so cool. He's
This is
honestly a great guy, to be honest.
Yeah, we
Gotta
met
be honest.
him.
One of the coolest guys probably in the city.
Ryan, are you
We
here?
met him first.
Is
He's
that
the
Ryan?
best.
No. Ryan?
Yeah, we met him first. He was really nice.
He's a pretty cool guy.
Oh, speak of Ryan himself.
Ryan?
What a coinkadink.
What are you doing?
Summoned.
Wait, you actually can go in here?
Wait, Ryan, show us your house.
It's right here.
I mean, but like, isn't there a little more to it?
Yeah,
Wait,
you just
is
go
it
inside.
a miniature? Wait.
Yeah, it's a miniature house.
What the heck is that?
It's my house.
Wait, how do you go in?
Whoa, what
Just gotta shift down.
No shot can you go in there. No way.
We're inside.
It says I don't
are
have
you
access.
No, Ryan, you're not inside.
We're inside.
That's made of chisel. This. Wait.
Right click at the front door.
Wait,
Leslie
what?
doesn't know how. Leslie doesn't know how. Oh,
Wait. So.
This is so cool. What?
well, this is the part that you're not supposed to see, but
Whoa.
How did you make this? What?
Wait, this is actually cool.
I thought it was just
Guys,
like
this is-
a fake little home.
no, it's a real home.
Undergarden portal? What is the undergarden?
Oh, you don't have to be looking there.
This is why. Okay,
I don't
now
see
it
why
makes
you're
sense.
just going through. You always go through people's stuff.
I'm
when
the
you
county
enter their
clerk. I'm
homes?
just making sure you're not in possession of any
I
illegal
see.
substances.
I
Yeah,
see.
this is.
Oh wow,
Go ahead.
these
Of
diamonds
course,
very
of course.
legal. Taking those?
Yep, of course. Yeah.
Yep, taking these
So,
diamonds.
wait,
very
Ryan,
legal.
How do we exit your house?
You just come here.
Okay.
And you jump.
What?
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 That is so cool.
How did you? What the heck?
There's even,
What?
There's even a little couch inside.
I've
So
never
this
seen
is
you
not
like-
really where we're
It's a little
inside
hard.
though.
Oh, it's a white elevator.
He made a
The
house
elevator mod.
in a house.
Oh.
This is so freaking. This is the coolest house.
Ryan, this is actually really cool. Also, I'm here to collect your taxes, so that's gonna be 6 diamonds.
6 diamonds?
6 diamonds, taxes.
It's crazy.
Don't worry.
How did you judge? How does a house? I have the smallest house. This is not even like a 1/10 of a diamond.
Yeah, I'm charging most people 12, so you're actually getting a half off.
You think
This
my
is
house
true,
is
Ryan.
half
She-
the
she
size?
Just, she just,
Yes,
She tried taxing us 5 and we don't even have
You think
a
my house is half the size?
yes. I'll be waiting outside your door. Please grab the diamonds, Ryan. We gotta make money somehow.
I feel that. Look, there's a
All right,
llama.
just place them right down here.
Thank you
Why-
so much. I'll take those.
What?
That's-
No! Drop them. Drop them, Garrett. I will kill
What? Drop
you.
what? Drop
The
what?
diamonds.
What
The
diamonds?
diamonds.
What diamonds? He's making
The
it rain for us.
diamonds.
Right. Okay, you got your 6, right?
No, I actually didn't get a single one because
Thank
Garrett.
you very much.
Gotta go,
Garrett, I think we're
guys.
good to go.
Gotta go.
I've
Did you
been-
get the 6 diamonds? or-
Ryan, I didn't get a single. I didn't get a single diamond.
What do you mean? I gave you 6 diamonds.
I didn't get any of them for some reason. I think they were on the ground, and then
Are you scamming me?
no,
Wait, you
I'm.
guys saw I gave her the 6 diamonds.
I
You guys
think-
saw that.
I
I
think
saw
honestly, the diamonds were you never. There was no taxes to be paid.
Missing
haven't seen me give her the
diamonds.
diamonds?
See,
saw.
county
I dropped
clerk.
it.
Don't worry,
let me-
I got this county.
Put
clerk.
up signs, everyone. Put up signs for missing diamonds.
Wait, maybe I.
Missing diamonds. County
You know what?
clerk. 6.
Maybe you should get some more.
Yeah, let's. Here you go, Leslie.
Perfect,
There
perfect,
you go.
perfect. Thank you so
Sorry,
much.
Ryan.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
there's
you.
six, there's a 6.
Ryan,
yeah.
thank you so much.
Right there.
Oh,
There's
thank
6.
you. Thank
What
you.
now, Ryan? How come you couldn't give this to us yesterday?
Wait, that's not for you. That's for my taxes.
That's for the
No,
taxes.
Ryan, look at the sign
Huh?
she already put up right here. It's
How
too
many,
late, man. The
Foreclosure!
the county clerk already struck down.
The
She works
house
fast.
is going down, Ryan. I'm sorry. It is now the property of the county clerk,
Yep,
unless
and everything inside now belongs to the county unless you pay her 6 diamonds quick.
quick,
I gave
Ryan,
her, I gave her
quick.
like 12.
Ryan, those diamonds
Your
must have fallen
house
through your
is
elevator.
being
They must have gone
I
foreclosed.
gave her so many.
I
They
don't
must have gone
have
down.
a single one.
There.
Okay, where? Where? Where?
I just
got it, you
gave
got
to
it.
you.
One?
I gave you like 12.
I got one. Okay, so you two wouldn't happen to know where any of them went? Just to...
Nope.
No,
No
I think the
idea.
elevator might have
think I've
picked
been
them up
robbed.
right here. Like he might
Okay.
have like slipped down there, like or
Yeah.
something. Because he was
Okay.
doing like this, a little bit of that, and they were like falling. It looked like so.
Diamonds are really small, so.
Yeah.
All right, well,
Very
we'll just be on the
tiny.
lookout for them.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna temporarily take
But,
down the sign, I guess, right? Because you mean,
I'm all
yeah,
squared away though.
Yeah,
no, you're
yeah,
good. You're
squared
good.
away.
You're good.
yeah, I
we'll
mean,
we'll
this
figure
is
it out.
Minecraft. There's squares everywhere.
Okay. Well,
All right.
If you see those 6,
Yeah.
the original 6 that I gave you.
Yeah. Oh, I'll be looking for them.
You look
Thanks,
around
Ryan.
like something just doesn't add up on them. Like, you know, we're like 2 gray, ironed out noobs surrounded by netherite and diamonds.
Ryan got his house back! Celebration! No longer foreclosed!
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Yay!
By the way, for paying your taxes, you just earned yourself a free yacht.
No,
Congratulations!
no. No one's allowed to own boats except the county clerk.
Oh, psych.
Boats
Just
are
kidding.
illegal.
Give it back. This is a stick up.
Okay, thank
see.
you very much.
All right, I had to put on, you know, I had to look the part if I was gonna rob them, mask on and everything.
All right, would you like to continue the tour of the town?
Yes, please.
Ready.
If you'd like to come, Ryan, you're more than welcome.
Ryan, I know you've never seen the town before, but hey, is that your boat in the back over there?
Where is my boat? Oh, there it is. Okay, perfect. Let's
Ryan,
continue
thanks.
from. Thank you,
See you
Ryan.
later.